Besiter was established in 2008 and has one research and development company, one manufacturing bases with a total area of 13,750 square meters, 312 employees, including a team of 50 research and development engineers. Our company has a registered capital of 20.22 million Chinese yuan. Besiter can produce 1 million power banks and 100,000 shared charging devices per month. The company is a comprehensive enterprise focused on the planning, research and development, manufacturing, sales, and services of the power bank, sharing economy and the Internet of Things. Main products: shared power bank station, shared energy power supply, and shared energy storage power supply. Core technologies: shared charging technology, energy storage, sharing economy and Internet of Things technology. We have obtained management system certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, SA 8000, etc. The product has passed tests and certifications such as CE, UN 383, FCC, CB, PSE, etc. Shenzhen Besiter Power Bank Co. Limited insist on the road of using high-class cell, technical innovation and shared IoT overall solution. We will take customers' satisfaction as satisfaction, take customers' success as success and take strivers as foundation. We will continue to create value for customers and jointly promote development of shared power bank, shared economy and IoT.